I, Kusum Agrawal, your chemistry teacher from Podar International School, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Today, I have brought a fantastic concept of electroplating for you. Electroplating, what does it mean? The word itself is saying electro meaning electric current and plating meaning putting a cover of one metal over another. Means electroplating meaning here in presence of electric current putting a layer of one metal on another is called as electroplating. Children, you know many metals are there. They are having some of the advantages and some disadvantages. Take some example of it, like iron. It's found abundantly. It's cheap in cost, but it's having one disadvantage of rusting. As iron comes in contact to air, it gets rusted. Like see this, it's rusted here. Next, we will see zinc. Zinc is costlier than iron, but the advantage is it's not getting rusted. So, we are superimposing the properties of zinc over iron to protect the article from rusting. Let's see some examples over here. Lock, door stopper, handle of the door, and the automobile part. These all articles are made up of iron, but you can see they are not getting rusted. They are looking shiny, attractive. The reason electroplating is done on them. I said you they are made up of iron. To protect them from rusting, a layer of zinc is put up on them in presence of electric current. Next, you see here, I have brought a necklace in front of you. It's very shiny, attractive. It's not gold. Then what is it? It's made up of copper on which the plating of gold is done to make it look attractive. How? By the process of electroplating. Students, your cycle handle, you must have seen it's very shiny. It's the automobile parts, they are again very shiny. You must have seen the car parts, they are very shiny. The reason they are made up of iron, but chromium plating is done on it. Chromium is expensive metal, but it's scratch free. That is the reason on automobile parts chromium plating is done. The meaning to say here, plating of one metal over another in presence of electric current is called as electroplating. And we do the electroplating to prevent the article from rusting, to make it look attractive, shiny. So now after this we will see here the process of electroplating, that how is it done. For this, today we are having one aim here. This is the key. On this key, we will be doing the plating of copper. So, I have brought here a electrolytic cell in which we have taken here the copper sulfate as an electrolyte. This key is attached here to the negative terminal of the battery. We are calling it here as cathode. And one copper plate we have brought here. This is attached to the positive terminal of the battery and I am immersing it, which is acting here as a anode. Once again, the copper plate is acting here as a anode and the article to be plated, that is key, it's acting here as a cathode. And now I am doing the switch on of this battery here. So the circuit is closed and the current is passing into it. After some time, you will see here that the key will be plated with copper. Meaning, we have done here the plating of copper on this key The process is electroplating. So, this experiment tells us here that electroplating we are doing to prevent the article from rusting. The desired metal, meaning copper, we are electroplating on an article, and we call the process as electroplating. Thank you so much.